Annual Credit Report Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of AnnualCreditReport.com, the only platform authorized by federal law to provide you with free credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This service was designed for anyone who wants a clear and accurate view of their credit history without paying hidden fees or falling prey to scams. Here's how it works. You're entitled to one free credit report from each bureau every 12 months, and as of now, they've extended free weekly access through December 2024. The interface is straightforward. Visit the site, verify your identity, and select which bureau's report you want. The process takes just minutes, but here's a pro tip. Stagger your requests from the three bureaus throughout the year to monitor changes regularly. Now, let's talk about the features. The reports include all the essentials: your account history, payment records, credit inquiries, and public records like bankruptcies. However, keep in mind that it doesn't include your credit score. This is strictly about the report itself. If you want your credit score, you'll need to purchase it separately or use another service. That said, AnnualCreditReport.com is ideal for anyone looking to check for inaccuracies or signs of identity theft, as reviewing your reports regularly is the first step to protecting your credit health. What's great about this platform? It's entirely free, easy to use, and federally backed, meaning no surprise fees or ads pushing you toward unnecessary upgrades. But it's not perfect. For example, the site's design feels outdated, and navigating it on mobile can be clunky. Additionally, retrieving your reports requires answering security questions, which can occasionally be tricky if your information isn't up to date. So, who is AnnualCreditReport.com best for? It's perfect for individuals serious about financial health who need a reliable, no-cost way to track and verify their credit activity. But if you're looking for a detailed credit analysis or frequent score updates, this might not meet your needs. Instead, pair it with a credit monitoring tool for a more comprehensive picture. In conclusion, AnnualCreditReport.com does exactly what it promises. No more, no less. It's an indispensable tool for staying informed about your credit, spotting errors, or detecting fraud. Use it wisely, and you'll be taking a big step toward financial empowerment. If you've used the platform, let me know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews that keep your finances on track.